ख़त्म करें और जल्दी ही शुरू करें, तो so we can enjoy the music and dance and everything from them. So we'll straight away go on a dance function. I welcome you all one and all on the dais of the dais. सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। यहाँ जो उपस्थित लोग हैं इनके बारे में एक सेंटेंस बोल देती हूँ and then I'll give mic to our president to welcome you. But before that I would like to say, भगवान ने पूछा कि किसी ने भगवान को पूछा कि आप किसको बहुत प्यार करते हैं। भगवान को किसी ने पूछा कि आप किसको बहुत प्यार करते हैं, तो खुदा ने जवाब दिया कि जिनके पास ताकत है, जिसके पास शक्ति है, जो बदला ले सकता है फिर भी माफ़ करता है और फिर भी सबको प्यार करता है, ऐसे इंसान को मैं प्यार करता हूँ। यहाँ जो हमारे पास बैठा है ना, ये सभी ऐसे सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, पर जायंट्स का नाम आया तो सब अपना दिल खोल के हमारे साथ हाथ से हाथ मिला के, ताल से ताल मिला के उपस्थित रहे से। So we are on behalf of Giants Zoo, we are really thankful to all the dignitaries present here. I request Naresh bhai to give a welcome speech.
Good evening, everybody. Friends, I will not go for taking every individual name. I don't want to spend more time. So, dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, we have many special guests today. On behalf of my group and trust, I welcome all of you to this fine evening. Friends, it is indeed a great pleasure to extend my gratitude to all these dignitaries are on the dais and of the dais, that today they have accepted our invitation and are present here, not only to bless us but to encourage our members for our activities. So on behalf of my group, I thanks to each and every person who are present here. Friends, as you all know, this may be the last event under my term of presidency during my terms of 2012 and 2013. We carried out more than 100 projects for the benefit of the society, and all projects and programs were carried out with great success. I cannot take all the projects details right now because otherwise it will take at least 1 hour. So I am not going for the what projects we have carried out. But this was only possible due to my members' great love and affection, their enthusiasm and support. It is not possible to take every individual name, but I take on record and express my gratitude to everyone, all my members, trustees, donors, sponsors, young giants for their tremendous support in making 2012 and 13 successful and memorable one. Today's fundraising drive for our trust activities we did after many years. I take the opportunity to thank Mr. and Mrs. Bhagat for their generous and meaningful magnanimous donation of rupees 2 lakhs and giving us the boost to make this drive success. Friends, I also take on record and express my gratitude for the guidance and motivation from Federation President Mr. Vasu Vasandani and others. Deputy World Chairman Mr. P.C. Joshi, Nuruddin Sewala, Rajesh Joshi, Sirish Kapadia, Deep Vyas, Hina Vyas, and many others dignitaries visited our projects and encouraged us with their presence and blessings. I cannot forget how I can forget my families, particularly my wife Preeti and daughter Riddhi, for their sacrifice and giving me the freedom to spend most of the time for Giants. My special thanks to my daughter Riddhi for her support as Young Giants President. I express my apology as a president for taking decision if I have hurt anyone knowingly or unknowingly. I express my apology from the bottom of my heart. With these few words, I once again thank each and everyone who are present over here and making our this function a grand success. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू नरेश भाई। नरेश भाई ने 2 साल काम किया, उसमें हमें एक सेंटेंस में बता दूंगी कि उन्होंने हमें क्या सिखाया। एक बात कही उन्होंने कि चलो सब साथ में मिलके भगवान को याद करें, चलो सब साथ में मिलके भगवान को याद करें, पर शर्त इतनी कि सबसे पहले इंसान बने। और हमने वो इंसान बनने की जो साथ में रह के आपके साथ रह के काम किया, वो सच में नरेश भाई वी आर ऑल्सो थैंकफुल टू यू कि 2 साल आपने हमको इस तरह से साथ में रखा है कि वी नेवर फील कि यू आर प्रेसिडेंट एंड वी आर समथिंग एल्स। इट्स रियली ग्रेट। और यही बात सीख के इंसान बनने की कोशिश आज तक हमारी जारी है। आई रिक्वेस्ट आवर ट्रस्टी जो वहाँ बैठे हैं, छुपा छुपा हंसते हैं, पर हमेशा ऐसे हंस के एडवाइस भी देते हैं, हमारी गलतियाँ भी निकालते हैं, हमें डांटते भी हैं, पर इवन दो वी लव हिम, वी ट्रस्ट हिम। सो कभी भी कहीं प्रॉब्लम हुई तो वी ऑलवेज कॉल आवर ट्रस्टी ललित बेसलरका। आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू सर टू गिव द रिपोर्ट ऑफ फंड रेजिंग प्रोग्राम।
Best in the others, and he gave the best he had. That is very much sure. We have chosen the different ideas as our guides and followed them, and that helped us to reach our aim. We have been able to collect nearly 8 lakhs of rupees by this, and that is the highest so far in Giant's history since 1973.
I request Kishore men to come forward and to present flower bouquet to our Deputy World Chairman Giants International, Mr. Nuruddin Sehwala. I request Neha men to come forward and present flower bouquet to our Federation President, Mr. Vasu Vasandani. I request Riddhi Parikh, Young Giants President, to come forward and to present flower bouquet to our Unique Director, Federation Director, Hina Vyas. Our installed Federation President for 2014, Mr. Hemant Shah, I request Kalyani to come forward and present flower bouquet to friends. These are the dignitaries from our Giants fraternity. But this today evening, what we have success that without the philanthropists, sponsors, donors, we could not have come out with this such a great show. It's a great pleasure that we have with us many dignitaries. They are the sponsors for today. Our first today's chief sponsor is Jayantibai Shah family, and among them the representative is Mr. Bharat Bhai. It's a great pleasure to welcome you, and I request Lalit Bhai and Mr. Amar Munjal to felicitate with the shawl and flower bouquet. With the shawl and flower bouquet. Please. To our chief sponsor of the evening. They are doing so many activities under their trust, and just I inform you that at our Vilepala center, we are running the free computer education classes with their donation under the name of Jayantibai Shah Computer Education, which you will see in our souvenir also. Thank you very much, Bharat Bhai. Among us, one of the sponsors, but they are not present, Nainaben Khadiwala, we take the note actually. Her husband is not well. In spite of that, she has generously donated for this our today's evening. Our next special guest of honor and the sponsor is Mr. Bhupat Bhai Walia, managing partner of the Waila Group of Companies. We have a great pleasure to welcome and to felicitate. I request some of the men, and please come Neha Ben, Ashwin Bhai also, for felicitation for Bhupat Walia. Please come forward. We have another sponsor for the evening. Khatiwala family, although they are differently but in a one group, whenever we ask for any amount, they come forward and they donate generously. One of them is Nimuben Khatiwala. Please felicitate our Nimuben. Like that, we have one more, our own member, but our all active members, they are, as I have mentioned, that done one and done. Everything they are giving to the group. Like that, we have our Badresh Bhai Desai. He is our past president as well as his, our finance also he is handling. He is chartered accountant, tax consultant. I request Deepak Bhai and Ashwin Bhai, please felicitate our Badresh Bhai. Now I request Kishori Ben and Meenakshi Ben to come forward. We have one more donor with us, Rauji Bhai Patel family, and representation is Samapti Ben Patel. See, all they are our active member, at the same time they are donor also. Samapti Ben Patel. I am glad to inform you that one of the philanthropists was with us, industrialist, Mr. Dverik Raj with us. He has already left, but he has declared 11,000 rupees to our trust. We are really very grateful to all this person. With this honor, I request again to take over the mic, Neha Ben.
Thank you, Naresh Bhai. Felicitation program is still on. I would यहाँ डिग्निटरीज जो बैठे इनका तो हो गया, इनके सब लोगों के बारे में कहेंगे. कबीर जी ने कहा है ना, तन पवित्र की दिए दान, मन पवित्र किए हरि भजन, तो इससे भी तो हो कल्याण. तो दान धर्म तन मन धन से इन सभी ने किया है. इनमें थोड़े और नाम हम जोड़ देते हैं. हमारे हमेशा बैक स्टेज में काम करने वाले, कभी भी आगे नहीं आने वाले, कितना भी धक्का मारो तो कभी भी नहीं आएंगे, ऐसे एक हस्ती है श्रीमती प्रवीणा बेन संघवी. प्लीज कम, आज तो आप आना ही होगा. शी हैज कलेक्टेड नियरली 1 लाख रुपी फॉर दिस फंक्शन. प्रवीणा बेन संघवी. I request Shadish Bhai to give this memento to her. She is a very silent worker everywhere. प्रवीणा बेन एंड इंदु बेन पीछे बैठ के सब काम करने वाले में से है, और तभी हम लोग दिखते हैं, ये लोग दिखते नहीं. आ जाना पड़ा उनको. वन मोर, कांता बेन इज आई थिंक नॉट देयर. श्रीमती कांता बेन त्रिवेदी, उन्होंने भी 50,000 के नज़दीक कलेक्शन में मदद की है. फिर से एक फेलिसिटेशन का एक फ्लावर बुके और मोमेंट हो जाएगा. श्री ललित भाई सेलर का, ही इज़ ऑल्सो ओवर 1 लाख रुपी कलेक्ट करके दिए हैं. ललित भाई, नूरुद्दीन भाई, आई रिक्वेस्ट टू हैंड ओवर मोमेंटो टू ललित भाई. आ बाजू, आ बाजू. अभी और एक हस्ती ऐसी है जिन्होंने तन और मन से तो बहुत ही काम किया.